document parallelly. So you can just training material. So if you see in a training document, so in the training document, I will share you this document on what we call the system configuration. One will be our system configuration, and database I will keep on sharing module wise. I have already shared with the CRM query. Okay. So can you confirm I have shared you or not share?
No, not sure.
So not share, eh? So this okay. So let me copy this and put it in the chat. So you can to let me database to clear. So this module wise, whatever the module there, whatever our key tables are there, not key, majority in this only. Okay. So we have the person table, then characteristics table, then person ID table, then person to person link table, and person name table, and person contact. So these are the basic 5 tables are there. These are the basic structure. Then you can add your where clause or in clause or joint. You can do the joint that we can do practice parallelly. Then account modules are there. Then we have that service agreement module, and I have already mentioned how what is the role of that table. So how linking to each other. Then we have the case or customer contact table. I will use today this one. Explain you. Then I have that if you want to see in the system how many CRM are configured, how many CRM configured, you can quickly run this. In the demo version, they have given you 5 on a sample. I will show you one how to run today. Okay, one I will run. Then reports. If you want to see in the system how many reports are there, so you can see the report. Okay, so I will in the report area I will teach you how to run the report. But actual that Excel or PDF format will come when your system is integrated with the BI. Okay, so one BI is the another report one that tool that should be in a link, and all reports are deployed in the BI. So that part will be one small gap that can be filled within your self study and self organization can help you, or you can learn. So, but I will CCNB related. I will explain you how it is configured, how it is run. Okay, configuration or running part. That part is I will take care. Then that in user management, this is the base table, and you can see these are the user in the demo configure. Okay, what is the details I will take later, and that audit concept is there. Then I'm giving you some extra how to debug the system. Okay, debugging the system you can directly run with the after JSP question mark debug equal to true. So this if you add to any environment, that system will go in the debug mode, and you can whatever activity you are doing, that can be traced and the file can be created. I will show you on a practically. Then if you do any configuration, okay, any characteristics or any algorithm, it immediately not come in that options. Okay, so we have to flush the system. So this is the like after OSP, remove the JSP dot CIS JSP login page. After that, you can put it flush all dot JSP. Your system will be like flushed all, and then your configuration is visible. This I will explain today only. Okay, and that's it. So these two additionally you can keep it how to debug the system. Debugging is the two mode, one for the full system and one for the like batches. So batches is very easy. On that batches itself we have the some kind of checkbox. You can check it, and that document can be created. Okay, that file can be created, and then you can do the study. If any batch is failing, if any batch is not running, you can see what is the data issue, what is the coding issue, that can be seen with with that log file. Okay, so this is the two basic debug mode, and that is one for flash, which is the standard one, and that can be used with that query. Okay, it's very handy, and you need to keep it as in somewhere in notes. Okay, so this will be go module wise module. Okay, so CRM area I put and share with you like that only. In metering also I will share, and billing also I'm not sharing in one go because you will be like go module wise only, so unnecessary it will be more on that. Okay, so that will be cover. Then second thing I will share you that document of system configuration. So second part will be our learning will be system configuration. So this document I will share. Last time you told कि I given you email, but I not receive the email any from your side. Okay, so I not receive the email from your side, right?
Even the email,
Okay, but I
yeah,
not
even the email,
received. Yeah, can you try again? Okay, try
yeah,
again, or through pass it to the madam and she can pass
yeah,
me, so that
yeah,
okay.
yeah,
So
give
now
it.
you
I
see,
send you.
then okay, okay. So we'll check the email. Okay. So now you can see this document I want to share with you. Okay. Because now it is time. So you see in that configuration, system configuration, this will be very handy, and it will be very 28 cases are there. If you see 27, 28 cases is there, you want to see how to configure the premise type. So full nicely steps are mentioned. You can go through how to add the manufacturer, okay, how to add the meter configuration type, okay. So some of the example I will take, some of the example how to add the meter type, okay. Then you can see how to, and you can see like meter type, then how to duplicate the meter, how to add the, how to add the premise service point and meter install. So these are the all cases which is system related. This configuration of 90 pages are there. This I will share so that you can do the practice. Apart from this, my last in some later when we go in the advanced area, I will share you the worksheet also, and I will share you this presentation in that how to make the zone, how to make the portal, how to make the UI, okay. That kind of what is the script there, okay. That is the advanced configuration. I will share this presentation, okay. This is self prepared by me, and this I will go through once, okay, and then I will share this document, and along with that I will share you that configuration document. So you can go and मतलब कि do the worksheet and how to define the these are the full exercise, 24 exercise are there. This exercise I will take little fast, but you can do practice, because ultimately your role is important than my role in learning area. So this way, and then we will go to the examination area. I will share this document. What is the syllabus? Is 600-700 questions are there. This examination area I will share with that. Okay. So let's start with, and I will share you that a workbook document, workbook, all what we are learning in PDF. I will share how to maintain the customer. These are the workbook there. Then what is the background process through with the question answer. Okay. So this document I will share so that you can refer along with the PDF. This is the workbook document. So this document are ready to share without any, okay. So I want to share with you. Now let's start with our as content wise. So we are following the standard book, okay, so that any concept should not lose, and we can have kind of review and kind of so last time we started with the customer UI interface, and we discussed theoretically, and we go through that understanding of V, and then we will go through this so this now we can move to the CC&B, because this document and plus hands-on will give you the more confidence. So once you log in system, okay, and now you can see this is the CC&B, and in the background is very stories there. It's before half an hour some kind of an initiative jobs are there, so these jobs are running now fine. So now if after login in system, okay, after login in system, you will find the some home page, okay. Whatever your template is defined, you can find as a home page. So this page is showing as a user page, okay. This page is showing as a user page because they have an first page they set it as a user, okay. Why it is coming blank? Because we have not search anything, okay. If you not search, it will be show as a blank. So this page, if you see, as I explained, these four part are there. The dashboard area is the right side, and this movable area. You can see this is the movable area. Why it is blank? Because we have not loaded any data. Okay, this can be hidden to maximize this center page. Okay, this can be maximized, but always keep ready, because we need to adjust with full information. So you can minimize. This is the one thing you can understand. Then we have on the top of that, these are the toolbar area: home, menu, admin, search area, and history area. These are the toolbar area. On the top of toolbar area, that an Oracle logo is there, but that is static. Below we have that on a page header. So this is called the second thing, page header, where whatever page you are there, that page will be displayed to you. So now I am in the user page, so user header is showing to me, and this is our center of the text area, where you can search and the type anything. Okay. Then if you want to, if you click the control center, they have given the shortcut key. If you click on the control center page, you will find in the, this is the control center or home page. Okay, this is the control center and home page, which you have that search by the name. You can search by address, and these are the some things are there. If you click here, so these are the search option are there: by name, by account ID, by person contact, by person ID, and the geotype, some of the characteristics value you are storing. So if I go from the back end, if I take any random account, so let me check any random account, or okay, so this I will take one account. Okay, so if I take this account, so if you know the account, you can change this to account, and you can put here account number. Okay, once you click here, here one option is there. If your system supporting to multiple CIS division, so you can make it filter also. If you don't want, just search with all. Okay, so now if you click on search all, see, so since I search with the unique key, so that's why what happened, page loaded and it go in the further step. But if you come here, if you come again in the control center page, or if you give some name, okay, if you control center page, if you click on control center page, it will come blank. Or if you give some name, okay, uh, Brazil, let's say if I give Brazil, because this is a product is an that data is from Mark Brazil only. They were that developer. Okay, so their data. See, so now it is coming to because I given some permutation. So with that name, records are there. So you will find that search area. Then you choose what is the best for you and what you are looking for that. Otherwise, give some unique thing. If you give some unique thing, it will come only one, see, loaded one, and it is going the further, because there is no sub selection. Okay, you are not doing sub selection because you entered the very unique key. Account is unique key. But if you give the name, na, the name you know already. In Saeed, if you search in the market, you will get another thousand something like permutation combination, Saeed, something in between, or surname or family name, like that only. And SAID also you will find, SYED also you find. So that kind of but the SEED also you find with name with more, so that permutation combination work. So if you want uniquely, so you put your account number or mobile number. Okay, so see, after once you give, the data got loaded here. Okay, so you can see data got loaded here, or I can see the customer on a 360 degree view. This is called the control center, is also known as a 360-degree view, because 360 means one round means complete information. Okay, 360 means one circle, means you are started, you after running, you reach to that place only. So that means you have covered the full area. Okay, so that is called the 360-degree view, and full round information. So you can see here that customer information is loaded. Some of the as I explained, it will be expanded form, and some of the things will be collapsed form. Why? Because if you expand everything in the configuration, then what will happen, loading will take some time. So that's why they prefer or recommended ki don't expand all on a zone. These are the zone. Okay, these are the zone, I will go later. So if you expand everything, so what will happen, loading time will increase. So that's why the basic things, whatever information required, that is expanded, and the rest is the collapse form. Collapse means like packed form. So then if you want to explore that one, so you can explore. Okay, so if you want to see the detail and if you some of the area is expanded. Okay, so you can yeah, click here and to see here information is loaded, because they know ki I am this information I am giving the dashboard area also. So that's why they have purposely collapsed this one. Okay, credit and collection information, if anything there, so you can expand that one, there is no value. Okay, so whatever value if you find on a here drop down, you can do as like customer information. So see, customer information is expanded, it is showing here. Okay, so this way, as I explained you that in that what we call the in preferences, preferences, I show that one. There is some options there. You can like expand and collapse the services. Okay, and later if you want purposely to see, go and see, you can expand here. So customer information is initially it was in the collapse form, and I expanded, and we can see the customer information can be seen. What is the mobile number? What is the email ID? Some ID type, so these are the basic information you can see. So this page is called as a portal. Okay, this page is called as a portal, and this portal means website. Like website, and here we say as a portal. This portal is divided in the zone. So if you see, these are the like blocks. If you see the blocks, this blocks is the zone. This is the timeline zone, customer information zone, bill graph zone. Okay, this is the essay premise list zone. Okay, so these are the small that on a section is called the zone. Okay, and that detail as I explain you, okay, that will be covered in the advanced configuration where zone and portal, what kind of zones are there. Some zones are on a your on a information zone, some zones are query zone. Okay, information means just to show the information only. Query zone means inside some query running, a data is updating. Okay, so that zone, and so at basic level you can understand this all blocks is called the zone, which is in मतलब कि we are going to develop independently, so that if any query issue happen, so that particular area will be in a like an issue will show, and the rest page will be displayed, so that dead end concept suppose you are you enter in the page, and because of one issue your page is got scratched like so that should not be in professionally. So that's why they have that zone wise. If any particular area got corrupted by any data or anything, so that particular zone will be having the issue, and you can go and modify and correct that one. Okay, and the rest information will be not disturbed. So this zone area, if you go to the configuration, so let me give a little idea. So you have the zone. Okay, so you have that zone. So this you see, these are the zones there what you are looking in the portal page. So if you select anyone, okay, let's select an account payment bill history. So see, this is the zone design, and see it is a portal. If you see in the portal account bill payment history, so this is linked to this section. So each zone will have link to the portal. Okay, each zone will be linked to the base portal where that information can be shown. So this is the zone. This is the advanced configuration where we will learn how to give the zone, and then description, then zone type. Each zone will have the zone type. This zone type is given by the Oracle. Okay, zone type is given by, from that we derived our zone. The zone can be Saeed, zone can be Sanjay, zone can be Soumya, zone can be Logica, any name you can give. Okay, zone can be any name can be given, but this zone type, what is the type of your zone? As I told you, okay, we have that a query zone, and we have the info zone. So that base is given by the Oracle, that you can use that feature, and then you can customize like algorithm, yani algorithm and algorithm type. So algorithm type is given by, that is a more advanced thing. That is a developer thing, and that is the Oracle Oracle give you with the system. Okay, but whatever he's given the algorithm type. Okay, from that algorithm type I can generate the algorithm. So always remember, and type is the base thing, and that algorithm is what you are going to create, and whatever it is given to you, like that only. We have the zone what we have, and what we are going to create. Okay, but zone type, what that is the advanced thing. Zone type is the advanced thing. It is given by Oracle. What is that kind of the, what is called the template? So that template is given, and on the template you are going to fit your data. Okay, so this we can do the configuration with that, adding some this values. This we will see later, but just for like information in that, if you refer the document, you will find the second chapter itself is a zone portal. Then you will see from the UI suddenly you move to the customer information. But overview I want to give you how it look like, but on a getting inside and it's not a right time. Okay, so so these are the concept. Then if you see the right side area, you will find the dashboard area, whatever your alerts with the customer, if it will be visible to you. Then customer and some person account you can navigate from here. Some of the financial information visible you, what is the current balance, what is the payoff balance, what is the last payment, what is the last bill, what is the previous. So bill related it will show you the two, payment related it will show you the one, and that is the payoff balance. Okay, so this is the current balance, and this is the PO balance. Sometimes you will find some difference. Okay, so sometimes you will same, sometime of the difference. Current balance means what you need to pay to the company. Okay, okay, and payoff balance is some kind of like a total liability. So sometimes some of the value is not linked with the current amount, so that's why you will find difference. This we will cover in some of the with the example. So now you can see if you want to navigation. Okay, now we will learn the navigation. If you see that person and here, so you can scroll right side, you can see here the contest menu. So one is the contest menu, means from person you can navigate to. These are the pages, means these are the pages you can navigate to these pages. So you can navigate either to the plus or either to the search. Why we need the search? Because you want to read the information to go to the search mode. Okay, to do the selection existing data. Whenever you are navigating, you follow the existing data from the search. Whenever you want to create something, you will do the add. When you say the add, means it will be open the blank form, and you need to fill the data, and you need to save the data to create the data. Okay, so we will create the data through add button, and we will search, and you want to go to the person page. So I can click here and I can go to the person page. So now I am in the person page. Now I can see what is the person information is there, what is the person primary name. Okay, what is the alias means, some like what we call alias means some alternate name you can say. Okay, maybe some person having two name, one for like like one for document name, and one can be that family given name same, like a nickname you can say. So if somebody want to add their nickname, so that can be added. Or alias means you want to some extra name, some that can be added. So one will be primary will be only one. Okay, because you are going to uh, give the bill to the primary customer, not for alias. So primary will be received that one. Okay, then you have some an alternate name, and then you have storing the. So this comes under the person. If you say the CI underscore per name, so you will find all person ID with the per name. Then you can say a name type primary or name type alias. Okay, so then you can do the query name type, and where name type equal to you want only primary, so name type equal to primary. So your first name will be only come in the report. Okay, so that way you can find the person table. So one of the person table come in the picture. Then you have the person contact. This is the another table where you can store the all person information, either email or phone number. These are the information can be stored. Then have the third table person ID. So if you go back to your database, so you can see that is a person name, and then we have per name, then ID and contact name. So these are the table related. So one, two, three table. This is the three table, and then we have the characteristics table. Then we have the person table. Okay, so these are the. So if you go to the second thing and a correspondence, here as I told you, address can be stored here also. Okay, address can be stored here also, and address can be picked from here. Okay, that is the one thing. Second thing, characteristics, and in characteristics, and these are the defined characteristics. If you want to store any additional information like nationality, like an ratings, citizens, anything information you want to store, you can select from here and you can add the value. Okay, these characteristics is two type. One is the predefined, and one is called the like a free text you can say. So you can type here, it is the free text. So if you choose any nationality here, So there is sorry, this characteristic is the predefined, because you finding the search value. Whenever you are finding the search value, you are means you are not uh, you, you cannot freely type there, because typing sometimes person type by lower upper spelling mistake. So we try to give the predefined value, but if sometime you want to just store the free text value, so that time you can use that, and like free value, free text. Let me check what is the next one. So if you see that senior citizen, here also they are giving the option only. Let me search another one. I think short comments. Okay, here you don't have the search button. See, here you don't have the search button. So these are the free text and characteristics. You can type anything, any additional information can be stored. So these characteristics I will tell you how to create and so that your configuration part can be understand. Okay, so now you can see these are the then person. You can add any your spouse, any your child, any your parent. So you can declare here what we explained before. Okay, so these are the important area there. So this we can say the person information. As I show you, from person you can navigate, these are the area. Okay, so you can create the case from the person, you can create the customer contact from the person, you can create the statement from the person. Okay, so case and contact I will create in the CRM, and statement we will create in our billing area, because this is related to billing. So this way you can from person you can navigate and create some of the things. Okay, then we have the account, and if you see, if somebody say go to the account, so don't waste your time for a drop down button, because account, this hyperlink, this links are there. Go to, so you can directly click. I think we need to refresh the page. Okay, that is fine. So as soon as you click this on account, your page will be directly go to the account. Okay, but if you want to go in that account related different options, okay, other option, then you choose this one. You want to create the bill, I told you bill is created from the account. You want to make the payment, so you can go from that only. Okay, and some of the more feature is available for the account level, so you can directly go like that only. Similarly, you want to from premise. Okay, so CC&B, they have person, account, and premise only, because these are the important. So you can directly go to the premise. You can navigate to the related information. You can go to the service point also. Okay, so this way you can navigation is if you click direct, it will go to that page only. Okay, if you click direct, it will go to that page only. But if you want to go related and tables related and process, you can navigate from that and a context menu. Okay, that is the one option. Second option, if you don't like to go from there, you have the main menu. So main menu also you can see, this is the process, this is the process, and through the process section you can navigate to any of the option. So this you need to more experience little. Suppose I want to go to the bill. Up now bill will be in which process? After learning you will understand it is the financially part. You will go to the directly financial bill. Okay, customer and some related, you will find the customer information. So that module you need to map here, and it is already mapped there. Whatever you are learning in the customer information, you will find in the customer information. Whatever you are learning with the field activity or field order, you will find in this area. Whatever learning with the financial model, financial and a module, like we have that in a payment area, so you can find in the payment in a section. Whatever your some of the learning rate area. Okay, then we have the tools area. This tools area is basically used to run the report and to run the batches. So these two only you remember. Okay, the tool area means if you want to run the report or if you want to run the batches, you have to go directly tool. Okay, this tool you remember only for important two things: report and say report and what is that two thing I told uh,
report and
in
June.
that tools and report and report
June.
and no, batches. No, see, I told
Batch,
you the
batch.
two
Okay.
thing only batch. Okay, the tool you have to remember only the batch. Okay, the batch tree. This is the extra thing. Okay, that is some of the things are not important. So batch summary. Then you have that report and the related with the report. So only two important is there. If you want to run the report, you have to go in that what we call tools area. Okay, tools area, you will find the report, and you will find the batch. If you want to submit any batch, okay, I will show you in the metering and billing area, okay, batches and the payment also. This we have to, what we have to do first, we have to make the group. What are the groups there? And then each group you need to memorize. Okay, initially you need to memorize to get some additional to make your speed fast. Okay, make your work fast too. You have to do play with the system. Okay, this is the important thing. You have to play with the system. How much you will play, how much you will learn, how much you will familiar, and how much your speed will be go. And you are your, because you are going to become as a user, you are going to become as a support guy, and you are supporting to users, okay, and you are going in the implementation. So your speed and understanding should be more than the next person. So my understanding and speed should be more than you, like that only, because you are learning and I am training. So in that way, one step should be ahead. Okay, one step should be ahead. You have to play with that information. Okay, so now you can see. So let's focus on that customer information area. So if you see the customer information, then you see you will find that account. If you want to search any account, so you can search from here also. If you click here and search account, so you can provide that account number. If you know the account number, so you can provide here also. See, same page has come. So you have multiple options from dashboard area, from that text area, and from that process by menu area. So from menu area also I can create and I can search. Then second important thing is the admin. Admin is your system level configuration and advanced configuration. This comes under the admin area. Okay, at database level you can say, or system level or advanced configuration. These three things will be come under the admin. So, okay, these three things will be come under the admin, and I will share you that two document. One for the system configuration, how to create the bill cycle, how to create the service cycle, how to create the meter, how to create do the configuration, how to add that configuration part. Okay, so that part that will be in the two part. One will be the system configuration, and one will be the advanced configuration. Advanced configuration means how this page is designed. Okay, so you understand the concept of the web pages. Okay, website or web pages, that how that UI design, how portal design, how some advanced configuration, services script, VPS script. So those kind of things, and we will go in the third level. So first we will go in the first level, understanding the product or and doing the operations. Okay, then second level, how as a expert do the configuration. Okay, configuration I will divide in the two part. Okay, one system level on advanced, and whenever learning the system level, that time I will give you the support of the database. Okay, so this way we have the four thing. One is the like a product and an understanding and the daily operations. Second thing will go in the database level and the system configuration, and third category will be my the advanced configuration, that for an advanced learning and advanced supporting and system level. So now you see the here you will find the system and it means configuration area. So again you need to go through the each process by, suppose I want to create the bill cancel region, I want to add. So bill cancel region is already there in the system. See, these are the bill cancel region is there in the system. But somebody business asks, can you add some more? So you can say here plus, and you can give some code number. Okay, you can give some, let's say, test. Okay, I put here test, and I can say here uh, मतलब कि under testing. Okay, you can say under something like that. You can say here sorry, under testing something you can do. So this way you can add your own like a bill cancel region. So like that only you see, you can add your own cancel region. Somebody we can create our on a bill cycle. Okay, add and search. Okay, you can click on the search button, you will find how many are there. So these are the bill cycle are configured. I have added one for my testing purpose. Okay, so these are the, you can create your own bill cycle and that can be assigned. Okay, so this way you see module wise all configurations are there which is required on the daily operation basis or maybe ad hoc basis. So let's use the good word ad hoc basis. So this configuration is done by the expert ad hoc basis, yani business and a requirement purpose. And one as I told you, that is the advanced and a very rare and less, because that will be go more on a more testing, more on a more configuration, more on a like on a for your like on a long term, you can say. That is called the long term type way. That is the zone and pattern as with the an algorithm is there. Okay, so you can find this all option from the like an all options from that in the admin menu. Then very important is if you are not able to find out, just try to click on right in the search button. So suppose I want to see bill cancel. Okay, I if I type bill cancel, immediately that related with bill options comes, so you can choose easily and you can click here the bill cancel region, you can go there. You want to see the bill cycle, I'm not able to find out in bill which module is there, so I can say bill, so related with bill cycle has come. See, so you can search any you can see bill cycle has come. So this is very friendly and very this is the beauty I find in the new version in 2.7. Before that search was not this option was not there. Okay, so this is the in 2.0
If you
again.
type anything like bill module or bill
Yes, yes,
account
yes,
info.
yes, yes. Yes, yes. See, bank. If you want to see any bank, type the bank and a bank related option has come. So you can
Oh, okay, okay.
see existing one, and you can see existing one, and later you want to duplicate, you want to add that you can. So this is a very
Okay.
nice, and if you want to
Yeah,
see
yeah, free
anything
form.
payment related, so the payment, what is the payment method, pay plan. So these are the option you can easily get. The configuration area you can easily get from the search button. Okay, you can get
Mm.
configuration also and process also. Okay, both you can get from here. So this is the one very excellent beauty, and because going inside, going to each module, then finding you can best way you can type and you can get the options. Okay, then we have that history and whatever history you want to see, so you can directly jump to any pages, and you can go from the back and forward. Okay, you can go from back and forward also, and you can click on the history, you can directly get that whatever you recent pages and you have visited. Okay, almost on 8 to 10 and recent pages, so you can directly jump to that page also. Okay, if you come to the person page. So these are the very handful things, and you want to, okay, class, everything is done, don't want to go, so just you can directly click the account on a center page, your home page, and a fresh page has appeared, and now you can find out your on the home page. So when you are working with any customer information, you have end of the work, then you can immediately click on the control center page, your fresh home page will be opened. Then you can start working the another account, start working the another account, start working the another account. The control center page is just to come on the home page. Okay, just to come on the home page, and okay, that to come to the home page. So these are the like matlab ki information. Let's go back to again to see that same thing. Okay, so go beyond that one. So then as I explain you ki if you want to see information ki from the top, see, you can see the person information, you can, these are the bill graph. Okay, bill graph and a zone is there, you can see the customer and what is the consumption and what is that and amount. Okay, and the amount outstanding basis. So these are the graphs, so this give you some information to understand the customer and things. Okay, so this can be also designed, this can be designed. Then if you want to see that on a premise, why it is showing the many premise, premise is the one only, he having many services, he having many services. uh, can we ask to so now you can see here in that if you expand this value, you can see you can see if you expand that value. Okay, you can see here that billing history, whenever bill was created. Okay, these are the billing history, you can see. Then I was in that page of okay, that account financial information when the bill created. Okay, these are the billing information. I was in that field activity premise information. So let me explore that one value. Okay, so I think this was here. Okay, so now you can see your premise information. What is the premise address? What is the CI division? When, what is the service point linked to that? Okay, so you can see this information on the home page itself. and before I was on one information of the account. So you can expand on a each, and you can see that information. Okay, so you can expand this value: service credit, membership, application customer information, alerts. Okay, so you can see this information. So these are the information available. If you want to see any, let's say if you want to see any last bill, okay, so how last bill look like, if you click on the bill, so this see, so once you click from the hyperlink, this is the bill and a bill page and a layout, how this bills and a look like. So now if you know the bill id, so you can from account or from main menu also, you can go to the financial information and you can search the bill, and you can provide the bill id and you can see. Okay, so there are many way to go to that bill. So navigation point of view, I will tell you कि from the main menu you can go to the each module and then sub module and see what is the search there. First you try with the search, because you will see the existing information, and then you will click on the add button. You will find that how to add that how to add that on a page. And then if you from search you want to do the maintenance, you can do the maintenance also. Then from admin area, these are the information there. Okay, suppose let's let's do some hands-on shop. Suppose one customer call to you. Okay, one customer call you, and you want to create one customer contact. You want to create one customer contact. What is the process? So if you just ask the customer, what is your name, or do you have any account with our with us or not? First question will be your, do you have any account with us? So he will say yes or no. If he say yes, then you can ask his mobile number, or mobile number or account number. Then you can search in the system. Suppose that person is not in your system and he is just raise any complaint. That complaint will be like general complaint. Maybe he find some some fire happen, or some kind of any like sparking happen with other or on the roadside. So he is anonymously just trying to report you. Okay, for that kind of customer, what we do, just we create only person. Just we create only person. No need to create the account. So how you will create the person? You see here, add person is there. Here add person is there, and from main menu also, from the customer information, you have that customer information. You have the person and add. You can click on person add. So this person can be two type. One person will be anonymous person, just for an you just added him, and one customer can be your one person can be your customer. In future he is going to become your customer. So now how to create the person? You will have that on a main menu, customer and person plus. Okay, person plus. And you can do from the account information. When you are in the control center page, you can click on the plus also. So it will be create person here. Okay, suppose one person is an I want to create one person an account. Okay, I want to create one person an account. So let's say demo and demo 30 September. Okay, I put person name demo 30 September. Okay, today date I put. This is the person name. If you want to add some alias, as I told you, want to additional information, you can add. If you don't want, no need. You can delete from that and delete line. Then you have to person contact. How you want to contact the person? Through mobile or through, okay, so you can say cell phone number. Okay, by cell phone number. This is the format. This is the configuration part. In this demo, they have given the format. You have to enter in the same format only. Okay, let's say I added this value. Then you need to add the id type. Okay, id. So generally this kind of customer I'm preferring one individual customer. Okay, I'm preferring the individual customer. So you can use the employee id also. Okay, so you can use some employee id. Now very important concept is there. Okay, very important concept is there. Very important concept. You want to create the account, so you can leave the check as like that only. If you don't to, if you just want to create the person only, so you can uncheck this one. So this will create the person only, not account. So I will uncheck this one, and I will tell you how to add the account. Okay, so you can check also, the account can be created same time. Okay, account can be created same type of the customer class residential. So by default they are saying residential. So you can use residential. If you want to change, you can change also. Okay. So before saving this account, you need to make sure whether you want to add the account or not. That is the one thing. If you want to add the account, what kind of account you want to add it. So this information is very important. I will do uncheck this one. Okay, I don't want to create the account, I just want to create the person. Once you click here, one message is coming. I purposely not did that one so that you can see that issues. Okay, person, this is the person, it should have the last name and first name. Okay, so we have to add here last name and first name here. We can say here comma uh, demo. Okay, okay, demo comma demo. Let's say demo comma demo. Okay, so you can save this one. Let's see. At least next thing, at least one active person must be primary. He's saying ki you have given the number, na, one should be as a primary. So I will make it as a primary. Purposely I'm not giving so that you will get that message and you will try to show. Now see, now important thing first was your it's a configuration is like that the person should be have the first name and last name, okay, with separation of comma. That is the one validation. Second thing, whenever you're adding the mobile number, you need to make it one as a primary so that it will be send you to communication purpose. That is the one second thing. Third thing, this id is already used, id number is already used. Okay, saying ki person id Sanjay must be in the format. Format means they are saying in this format. Okay, so that means format means we have to provide in the 99 and then dash 1 2 3 9, I think 7 times 7. Okay, so let me check. I think I put one less, I think. Okay, so see here, now you can see here with that basic validation, your data entry is done. So person name is added, phone number added, and that ID is added. And I have not created the account. To see in the dashboard area, you will see in the dashboard area one person is created. If you refresh this one, you will find here one person is created in the dashboard area. So see the dashboard area and person ID also created. If you pass this information in your database, where per underscore id equal to this one. Okay, once you pass this value, you can see from the database also your one entry is created for this one. See, one entry is created, person is created. The same thing, you can pass to the other table for this account. You can see this whatever your person added, whatever your contact added, whatever your id added, that you can see from the backend also. Okay, so this way your person is created and only person is created. You can see here this person don't have any account here. See, this person has 0 account because I have created the person. So this is the easiest way to enter this value and passing the validation. Your person ID is created. If you want to add later, you want to modify some more thing, you want to add the correspondence, which is not mandatory. That's why it is not gonna stop you. Whatever mandatory, it will stop you. If you want to add the characteristic value, you can add that one. If you want to person, whatever is not mandatory, it is not asked. Mandatory is your name, phone, and ID. These three things are mandatory. Okay, and then you can see person is don't have the account. Now my point is how to create the account. Okay, if you have the person ID, if you are on the person page, so from here also you can add the account. You can add the account. So from page also you can add the account, and from the dashboard also you see the dashboard on person is there. From person also you can add the account. So dashboard also support you this thing. So this is from the dashboard you can create. From the person page also you can create. And if you know the person ID, so from main menu also you can do. So no need to go in the main menu. So now you have the two options to create the account. Let's create the account. Okay, let's create the account. Person, go to the account add. So you can click on the add button. Once you click on the add button, since you are navigating to the person page, you can see account person, your person is linked here. So this is the link account per table. So this is the account per table. This is the account per table which is created when you navigate from the account to the person page. Account to the person page. This table maintain this data. Okay, this table maintain this data. So you can see person is already populated here. Now I need to give the customer information. So what is the customer information? One is the CH division. You want to use, let's say, California I put. Okay, that is the one thing. Then you have the bill cycle. In which bill cycle? So California, Ohio, let's say bill cycle this added. So once you save this information with basic thing, it is asking the premise, because premise is still not created. So you can create and you can attach here later. Okay, you can attach here later. So this way, see, your account is created. Your account is created now. Now you see in the dashboard area, person and account is showing here. See, person account showing. Now you can use this person account ID and you can do the query in the account related table. Okay, where account ID equal to, where basic things and account underscore ID equal to this thing. You have to do on a 4 times more than me. Okay, so my 2 hour and your at least 4 hour is required to explore and repeat and explore. Okay, two things I am expecting, because for me, I told you even 6 months is less for me. Okay, but if I go in that way, so but it's practically in any institution or any in a training center, it is not possible to engage that if it any big certification course or graduation course to engage. So that's why you have to do practice, like you have to explore, and next day you come with any issue, then solve. So you have to do at least twice or 4 times than me practice. Then only it will work with more better way. You see here, the account is created and whatever information is account level, it is showing here. In account, we have one basic things. If you want to add the alert, because we were discussing many times, so you can add the alert like payment arrangement is not allowed, or payment arrangement is not allowed, or you want to create your own alert, you can create your own alert also. Okay, so let me alert so suppose you want to add the alert, go to alert. Okay, alert type. Okay, so you can see this is the base alert types are though two are there. So you can add. So you know how to. So once I will explain, you can add for many things. Let's demo. Okay, demo, and I use an 180, 360, 90. Let's put it 90, and this is demo customer. Okay, customer. Okay, demo customer. This is for demo customer. So I can save this one. Now important thing is whether if you go to previous page, it will show you or not. Okay, this is the important thing. So then you will learn another part on I configuration I added, but is this showing here? It is not showing here, because we have to do the flush. We have to do the flush, then only configuration will appear. So as I explained you, if for flush we have that this one you can directly copy this one query, copy and you can paste here. Okay, you can paste here and click on that one. Sorry. So okay, I pasted the before sentence also. No? Then you can do, see here, this is the information color. Global flush request was not successfully. Please check the flush. All flush done. Okay, flush, all flush is done. Now you go back to your application. Go back to your application. Uh, okay, go to the application. Okay. Uh, CC user, it go out, but no need to go out. CC user, zero. Okay, so if I go, now I will go to that account. So I remember the account ID also, and I can search by the person. And so I need to click here, control center. Okay, I know the name also, right? Demo. We know the name also. So we can search by demo. Okay, because it is a unique name and we given only, so immediately page come. Okay. Now what we were learning to add the alerts here. So see, now if you see here, alerts it's coming. See, now here demo customer, you can add the alerts here. And alerts started will be the current date, and end date and whatever you can put it the end date. After that, it will be go from the system. I will show you. Let's save like that only. Okay, If you save on 30 September to, by default it is giving September 3 month. Okay, so see here on the dashboard area it is showing alert में demo customer. This is the demo customer. So see, alert what is showing as a demo. I want to expire this one, so I can put the back date. Okay, I can put the back date, so it will be expired. Don't delete. Okay, Oracle never suggests to delete. 29, I put it the 29. Okay, I put the I put the 09 and 09. Let's say put the 0909. Okay, sorry. Start will be that. Okay, one day before, and I paste this. I put the back date. Okay, if you say the back date, what will happen? So you see from the dashboard alert had gone. Okay, but I will tell you कि never practice to मतलब like you can okay. So this is the end date. So even if you are giving the end date today, it will be up to today. It will be visible. Okay. If you give today is the 30th. Okay, today is the 30th. You can see 30th. Okay, so you can see 30th for one 30th. You can see here, it is showing here. Okay, so once this date will expire, it will be not visible. So that's why we put some like an good date here. Okay, you can put it in a whatever 31st and December. Okay, sorry, 30 here 12. Okay, and here December 1st December. Okay, so now if you see, and it will be visual. So this concept you learn how to do the configuration and how to do the flush. Okay, you can do the flush so that your configuration will be visible. If you don't do the flush, your will be not visible. Will be not visible. So like that only at any place you can add the alerts. You can add the characteristics value. Okay, you can add the characteristics value also. So this way you can add the alerts and that will be visible. So this was all about your on a person and account created. Okay, next thing we will learn how to create the like how to create let's learn the how to do the account replicator. Okay, so then we will move to the person and account. So we can do the account replicator. Suppose I am a person and you are a person, you come for the 10 meter, you come for the 5 meter. Okay, because you have the 5 flat, you purchase 5 flat, or you constructed 5 flat or 2 flat or 3 flat or 10 flat, 100 flat. So person is the unique thing. Person should not duplicate it, because your email ID, phone number, and ID, yani your Aadhaar card, your PAN card will be not duplicated. So that's why what we do, person will be the unique, and then you can create the multiple account. Okay, so creating the multiple account, if you want to create only one account, then easy way is just from a person you can go and add one more account. You can go and add one more account. That is the easy way. But if I tell you to create the 10, then you go add account, add account, add account, add account. You will go home. Oh, well, too many account created. Okay, so that time we use the replicated terms. Okay, that time we use the replicated terms. What is the how to use that one in customer? We have that on here. You see here, account person replicator. Okay, account person replicator. Any message? Let me 1 second. So as an something I got an instruction, so they want to like stop with. Okay, all right, most welcome. All right, thank
Okay,
you, see
thank
you.
you.
Okay, thank
Bye.
you, see you. Okay, bye bye, thank you.